There's a great class action case. You can get reimbursed for price fixing by huge companies.
If you bought the product, you're about to be paid big money just for filling out a claim form. If you can figure out how it works, you might get 10, 20, or even $30. The less people who claim,
The more money you will get!
do I have a lawyer in this case? Yes, the court-appointed Cotchett, Pitre and McCarthy, LLP, to represent you and other settlement class members. These lawyers and their firms are experienced in handling similar cases. You will not be charged for these lawyers.
The lawyers will get millions whether you fill out the claim form or not!
The court-appointed Cotchett, Pitre and McCarthy, LLP, to represent you and other settlement class members. You will not be charged for these lawyers.
The less people who know about the case, the less work everyone has to do!
If you don't like the settlement,
You can object! How do I submit an objection to the settlement?
you can ask the court to deny approval of the settlement by filing an objection. The court-appointed Cotchett, Pitre and McCarthy, LLP, to represent you and other settlement class members. You will not be charged for these lawyers.
What happens if my objections are overruled? You can appeal to the federal appellate court!
The court-appointed Cotchett, Pitre and McCarthy, LLP, to represent you and other settlement class members. You will not be charged for these lawyers.
How does someone do that? First you file a notice of appeal, then you pay $600 to the court. Once this happens, your lawyers at Cotchett, Pitre and McCarthy will ask you for